All right, today, nobody expects a Spanish Inquisition. I've got two little pocket guns. They can just come out of nowhere at any given time if needed. First, I have an NAA and 22 long rifle. But if you really want to be sneaky, I've got it in 22 short. Look how tiny this little thing is compared to the other one. So we're gonna see just how unsuspecting the Spanish Inquisition is. Yeah, that one's done. Couple hits. Now we're gonna do the itty bitty one. That's all she wrote. It's enough to get somebody off of you, and they never suspect it.